Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph and asked how you would do this wheel of photographs. Couple of ways, and depending if you wanted a border or not. I'm going to do it first without a border. Let's just take a circle, put it P, center of the page, take a 2-point line, hit P, and then we need to Control D that, and let's rotate it 36 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. And then what you do is you take another ellipse and hit P, and then that gives you your area for your picture. Now, this thing is pretty big, so we're going to make our nudge factor 40. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and what the Smart Fill tool is going to do is going to make individual objects. That's what the Smart Fill does. Let's just get this out of the way. And then you take your first object and put it over there, and let's take this queen butterfly caterpillar, and then just use the intersect tool, and there's our first picture. We can actually delete that, and we'll take this next one and move it over. You do not have to move them over. I just find it's a lot easier. This is a picture of some queen butterflies. Won't be very entertaining, but if you had bigger subjects or people, so we can just keep deleting them and then just keep going, and we'll see if we can't maybe get these butterflies. Let's make that a little bit smaller. You've got to have it, big enough to cover up the area. Then just select them both and hit intersect. And all that does is make a new subject. So just keep going around, picking pictures. Let's do one more of the swallowtail. You can nudge in any direction. It doesn't really matter. I want to make sure I get that swallowtail. And if you wanted to, you've got the butterfly in there because of the fact that it's, you don't want to move this ever. You want to move your picture. Don't move your blue knob or your blue section. Intersect. And then you can nudge it right back up. Now, I mentioned that you could have a border around the pictures, and we kind of do. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to make a part 2 on this and show how to make a border. And then you would just continuously doing that around, and then you would just take your Smart Fill tool and cut out the lines. And of course, if we were going to do a border, we might do something different. But if this was going to be on a subject, you could fill this in with any color. The one I'm working with is white, but you want me to see it, so we'll make it gray. Then you could put your logo inside there. Anyway, so stay tuned to part 2, and we'll make a border. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.